So ang question ko nga is, why were they here? And pag ikaw ay nakita na at sinigawan, even assuming tama, nakababa yung barel, nagpaputok ka sa taas, warning shot, what do you do? Don't you show your badge and put up your hands and leave? Bakit siya nagpaputok pa balik? Knowing this is the Senate. So, for me, we really have to know the truth. And by the way, that's why the last statement I told Secretary John Vic and Chief PNP Nartates before they left is that please use all your powers in intelligence, in peacekeeping, etc., to make sure no untoward incident sa impeachment. Nung una nga, parang ang reaction, akala nila I was talking about government. No, sabi ko, I'm asking for your help, your expertise. Tell me what we need to do because nga, this simply cannot happen. If that happens, people are going to just keep pointing fingers. Sasabihin nung itim, gawa nung puti. Sabi nung puti, gawa nung itim. Sabi nung pula, gawa nung blue. Hindi tayo matatapos dyan. But I believe they're using forensic science the fingerprints, the CCTVs and everything to get there.
Sir, paano nakapasok? Paano nakapasok yung armed men?
Sorry?
Mawawala na po ba yung protected custody ni Senator Bato after nangyari?
Well, you're under protection while you're under our custody. Diba? So, for example, yung kay Jun Losada, it was a different situation, but he was still under the protection because nagpaalam siya. Nalilipat kami ng Green Hills. So, I will still insist on his rights. Diba? So, meaning, if he'll be arrested now, I'll go to him and I'll just ask, sino nag-aaresto? Do you have a warrant? And if they say it's a foreign warrant, I will ask them, pwede bang sa korte natin dalhin to, hindi sa Hague? Pwede ba siyang, di ba? So do that. But pag nandito sa building, syempre, I have to look muna ano yung warrant at alam nyo na yung stand ko. So in that sense, parang siya nag-voluntary umalis sa protective custody ng same example ko sa inyo kanina, di ba? If the media comes, may naghahabol sa inyo, hindi nyo sure kung police, hindi, wala namang warrant, pero yung tingin nyo wala na yung threat, gusto nyo na umuwi, pwede naman.
Sir, paano nakapasok yung armed men?
I don't, as of this time, I don't know. Yeah, as of this time, don't.
Sir, also, on Bato,
Kasi yung nahuli, inutusan daw siya to retrieve the tactical bag. So that means, the tactical bag. So that means they were already inside. Oh, kasi medyo nagpipilit akong lumabas sa office nung nangyari. Pero ayaw ng mga security. And they said hindi talaga secured dito.
And Secretary John Vic told you NBI. Yun ang request niya, Secretary John Vic.
Yung sinabi niya kagabi, ayokong kasi usapan namin hindi mo na babanggitin. But yung binasa ko sa inyo ngayon, galing kay Sec John Vic yun. May konti lang difference kasi sa... by the way, hindi ibig sabihin galing kay Sec John Vic, sinabi niya. Ibig sabihin yung investigation nila, nakababa yung barel. As of yung atin, nag-tactical position sila.
Yung kalaban.
Oo.
Nagpakilalang NBI.
Yes. I'll give that part then and in part na sinabi ko.
Sir, tanong ngayon po, nasaan po si Senator Bato?
I don't know.
Pero SP, dahil umalis siya dito, wala na siya sa protective custody
Yes.
ng Senado?
Yes. Voluntary siyang umalis. What we're protecting actually is the sanctity of the Senate, hindi siya. Like any other citizen, he has his rights. As a person, as Alan Cayetano, as a lawyer, I'll protect his right kahit saan siya. As Senate President, I'm protecting the integrity ng Senate. Na kung mag-aaresto ka dito, dapat legitimate, dapat coordinated, at kung wala ng legal remedy, we'll allow you, but better, we'll convince him to surrender.
So now he is on his own.
Our prayers are with him.
Anong details na SP how he was able to get
Hindi ko pa nakita.
there were reports that Senator Robin
It's just like using PS car. It's not illegal. There's no warrant of arrest. Walang obstruction of justice because you know to obstruct justice you have to know. So kung hinahabol ka nila, walang mapakitang warrant sa akin, tinago kita. Walang obstruction of justice 'yon. Pinakita nila sa akin yung warrant, 'di ba? Tapos nag-plot tayo na itago kita.
Sir, para sa inyo, as a lawyer, sir, is Senator Bato
Not yet. There's no warrant eh.
Sir, when the warrant by the ICC was made public on Monday, so how did the Senate treat it? Because as far
far as you're concerned, you're saying that there's no warrant. But the ICC made public the warrant against Senator.
Who will we believe? ICC mismo nagsabi nung Sunday, wala.
No, Monday, sir.
Kaya nga, tapos, so ano, Monday lang nila lumbas. Sinabi ni Trillanes, 6 months na daw yun eh.
Sir, yung warrant.
Oh, no. I'll clarify that. We don't take judicial notice of that stuff. You have to come to us and present it. So kung meron sa internet na one of you may warrant of arrest, hindi ko na kayo papapasukin ng Senate at arrestuhin ko na kayo? Hindi ba dapat pumunta dito yung police na dala tapos sinabi?
Senator,
Oo.
the application for TRO by the Supreme Court, even by Senator Ronnie De La Rosa, is actually a reflection that he himself recognizes that the ICC warrant exists and is valid.
No,
That's what
I'll tell you why. Because the ICC said they have a secret warrant. They said they have a secret. No, guys, believe me, i-research nyo, i-google nyo ngayon. Oh. Sinabi ng ICC na under their rules, pwede nilang secret yung warrant. Sinabi nila yan a few months ago. That's why tumakbo si Senator Bato sa Supreme Court. Kasi hindi niya nakita. When's the first time that you heard na meron talagang warrant? Nung Sunday. Where's the first time na nakita nyo? Nung Monday. At ano bang paulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa lahat? Di ba? It has to be a Philippine warrant. So if there's a warrant for any of you here na kung saan-saan etc. at walang nagpapakita sa akin, hindi ko rin papayagan na arestuhin kayo sa loob ng Senado.
Senator,
It's just that simple.
I'm sorry. I have
Yes, go
a
ahead.
follow-up question,
Sure.
Senator. We were there yesterday,
Mhm.
and we were made to kind of stay on the side. And even the OSA actually said that they were going to arrest somebody. They said that, we caught that on camera, may arrestin sila, nagpalit sila ng damit, pero sabi nung unahin mo nila yung articles of impeachment. After that, pumunta na sila din sa kabilang part. And then sumunod kami sa likod. So nagkaroon ng putukan. So I just wanted to ask, did he ever tell you who he was planning to arrest? Because they had a purpose
No.
when they were there.
No,
so when
so-
you say he was attacked, he
So
was attacked.
I'll tell you
It wasn't
100%.
inconsistent with what, I'm sorry, Senator.
Yes.
When you're claiming now that
It's
there
not
was an attack,
inconsistent
it's not
because you
consistent
arrest
with what you're
someone
saying.
who's trying to enter the Senate.
So you're being attacked.
I only use the words attacked when everyone confirmed that we were fired upon.
But it's not clear who he was trying
So,
to arrest.
I'll tell you this, ha?
Okay.
If I go to you and say, please leave the room, I'm not attacking you.
No, I don't
Diba?
see that
No,
difference at all.
okay, yeah. Or if I say, ma'am, can you take a seat? I'm not attacking you, right? But if I take out a gun and you tell me, sir, you can't touch me, or sir, move away, and tinutukan kitang barel, that's already maybe a motion going to. But when I actually fire the gun, so I'll tell you to answer your question directly, okay? I don't know the exact time, but the Sergeant of Arms went in to say, na, sir, the GSIS is inspecting cars. And when I talked to the administrator, he told me that they are heightening security. And then he said, I asked him, so if a senator uses your gate, will you have them open your car, which is illegal? Which the NBI said in Monday they did not do. But one of the news channels, you actually captured that, di ba? Yung may puting van, and then they showed the plate number 7, and the NBI guy had a long gun, and the other one was just keep saying, visual lang, visual. Then they opened the van. That's illegal. Okay? So, ang instruction ko kay OSAA, can you invite the administrator of GSIS? I'd like to talk to him. In the same very cool manner that I talked to the NBI director, I wanted to know who asked him to do that and if he knows na illegal to inspect our, because they were closing that gate if we didn't allow. So is it safe for all of us to have one gate? So after that, every 5-10 minutes, I was trying to get an update. Then everything happened. So when I said at the first time I used attack, sorry, I was really dizzy and had a headache and was really on the ball last night. I don't know where I first used the attack, but I'm 100% sure. If you look at my FB